Weekly Horoscope, November 22nd to 28th, 2023. Aries. This week is all about taking charge and making things happen. You're feeling confident and energetic, so put your Aries fire to good use. Don't be afraid to take risks and go after what you want. Just be sure to stay balanced and avoid being impulsive. Taurus. This week is a good time to focus on your finances and practical matters. You're likely to have some good luck in this area, so take advantage of it. Be sure to be patient and persistent, and don't give up on your goals. Gemini. This week is a time for communication and connection. Reach out to friends, family, and loved ones. You're feeling social and outgoing, so make the most of it. This is also a good time to learn something new or take a trip. Cancer. This week is a time for self-care and reflection. Take some time for yourself to relax and recharge. Nurture your emotional well-being and connect with your inner self. This is a good time to let go of anything that is holding you back. Leo. This week is all about creativity and self-expression. Channel your inner Leo and let your light shine. This is a good time to pursue hobbies, interests, and passions. You're feeling inspired and motivated, so don't let anything hold you back. Virgo. This week is a time for organization and efficiency. Get your affairs in order and declutter your life. This is a good time to focus on work and productivity. You're feeling detail-oriented and analytical, so make the most of it. Libra. This week is a time for harmony and balance. Seek out peaceful and harmonious situations. This is a good time to collaborate with others and build relationships. You're feeling diplomatic and tactful, so use your skills to your advantage. Scorpio. This week is a time for transformation and change. Embrace new beginnings and let go of the past. This is a good time to explore your inner power and potential. You're feeling intense and passionate, so use your energy to make positive changes in your life. Sagittarius. This week is a time for adventure and exploration. Step outside your comfort zone and experience new things. This is a good time to travel or learn about different cultures. You're feeling optimistic and enthusiastic, so make the most of it. Capricorn. This week is a time for responsibility and commitment. Take on new challenges and work towards your goals. This is a good time to focus on your career and ambitions. You're feeling disciplined and determined, so use your skills to your advantage. Aquarius. This week is a time for innovation and humanitarianism. Use your unique perspective to make a difference in the world. This is a good time to connect with others and work for social justice. You're feeling independent and progressive, so use your voice to make a positive impact. Pisces. This week is a time for intuition and spirituality. Connect with your inner wisdom and seek out guidance from the universe. This is a good time to practice mindfulness and self-reflection. You're feeling compassionate and empathetic, so use your sensitivity to help others. Remember, this is just a general horoscope, and your individual experiences may vary. Please use your own judgment and intuition when making decisions.